Allow me to introduce Presto Restoration. We are the world's most innovative and experienced facade restoration company, dedicated to transforming buildings and elevating standards. With over 25 years in the business, Presto Restoration has become synonymous with excellence. We've had the privilege of servicing some of the nation's finest properties, including sports stadiums, luxury hotels, and skyscrapers. Our services range from waterproofing and restoration to refinishing all types of surfaces, including glass, metal, and stone. Whether it's a parking structure or roofing, Presto has the expertise to deliver exceptional results.
I'm Judah Clark, and over 25 years ago I founded Presto with the vision to revolutionize exterior building maintenance. Thanks to our dedicated team, we've become pioneers in the industry, setting standards and fostering a family culture that drives innovation. We are truly unique in what we do.
With hundreds of case studies and references from projects all across the country, Presto Restoration has earned a reputation for excellence and reliability. Our expertise lies in tackling even the toughest stains and imperfections, ensuring remarkable results that stand the test of time. We're not just experts in our field. We've also developed our own line of high-performance chemical products, setting new standards in the industry. At Presto Restoration, we don't just restore buildings, we restore confidence. Contact us today and let us help you bring your vision to life.